Hey y'all, we are here at CocoCay today, Royal Caribbean's private island. And CocoCay is quite large. However, we are at the new adults only area, Hideaway Beach. This is an 18 and up adults only area. We were here in February and it had only been open for a couple of weeks, and I intended to do a video at that time and just didn't get around to it. But a lot of people have asked about it, so I just kind of wanted to do a quick tour today and show you around. This is an additional charge for this. CocoCay itself, there's no additional charge to do most of the activities. There's a few things that you have to pay for, but Hideaway Beach, there is an additional charge, but it's not that much. I think the first time we booked this in February, it was around $35, and this time we got it for around $20. So it's super reasonably priced, and for us, we don't have kids, so it's totally worth it. There's a couple of food stands here that we'll kind of walk by and I'll show you, and that's included, as well as the pool. It's kind of a party type atmosphere here with the pool and with the DJ as well. So I want to take you all on a tour. Okay, so this is the area where you're going to enter. You can either walk over here to Hideaway Beach from the entrance of CocoCay, or you can take a tram. The walk's not that far, but the tram is super easy. This is just an area here that has like music, bar. They have some TVs here. Usually have sports on if there's something on. The water's gorgeous today. There's no live music right now, but they typically play it throughout the day. Shuffleboard. And this is at the very end of the area. You can see that is it's the cove area, the water. It's very shallow. There's lots of chairs and umbrellas here, so no issue with getting a chair here. So we're coming up on one of the food areas here. This is just kind of like a little snack shack. They have hamburgers, chicken sandwiches, fish sandwiches, a couple of salads, mozzarella cheese sticks, coconut shrimp, and this is all included. So no additional charge for that. There's a little station over here. There's ice cream as well. One of the bars right there. If you walk, you can probably hear the music already. If you've been to CocoCay before, the DJ that used to be in the Oasis pool has now moved to this pool. So there's no longer a DJ in the Oasis pool. It's a little calmer than it used to be. So if you really like that DJ and kind of that party vibe, then this is where you need to go. All right, so here we have the pool. What I really love about this pool is that it's right here at the beach. So if you have a chair at the pool or at the beach, you can easily hop between the two. Walk down. Super cool infinity pool, and it's huge. It's right here at the beach. So you can get to the bar in the pool or over on the side. There are cabanas that you can rent. Here are some of the cabanas. There are some other cabanas we'll get to in just a second. But the pool just keeps going and going. These pool beds are first come, first serve. So if you want to grab one of those, get out here early for that. Otherwise, there's plenty of chairs around it everywhere. And these are some of the poolside cabanas here. And then we'll head over. If you're looking for a quieter area where maybe the music isn't so loud, then whenever you come into CocoCay, then head over to the left. Over here, you're going to have it's a little quieter over here because you're a little farther away from the pool and the DJ.
Hello.
Hey.
What's up? You all right? How are you?
How are ya?
Doing pretty good. Yourself?
Good. There's these awesome hammocks everywhere. And then here we're coming up on Slice of Paradise, which has pizza. It's included as well. And if you want other food, then you can go to other parts of CocoCay, and there's other food there that's included as well. If you want to leave this Hideaway Beach area and head there, then that's an option for you as well. They have a couple of different types of pizza and some empanadas here. And then we come up on the cabanas that have the private pool, and these things are super awesome. They're not cheap, but nice. If you have a group of people who can all go in together on it, then that would be the best way to go. So you can see this really long pool here. It's a private pool area for all of the cabanas. You can tell it's a little quieter down on the side. Down here it's a little more chill. You have these hammocks down here, little tiki huts. Water's amazing today. You can kind of get a little peek of the icon. We have the icon and the Mariner of the Seas in dock today. So there we go. Here's the tour of the Hideaway Beach, the adults only area of CocoCay. If y'all have any questions, reach out. Thanks.